In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Fillet Arc tool in Revit sketches. Fillet Arc is perfect for rounding a corner or creating a smooth connection between two intersecting lines in a sketch. You'll use this when you want clean, professional geometry in things like detail lines or when you're shaping a floor or roof boundary. To begin, make sure you're actually in a sketch environment. You can start a sketch by going to the Annotate tab and choosing Detail Line, or by editing a boundary like a floor or a roof, which opens a sketch mode automatically. Once you're in a sketch, your drawing tools are active and you're ready to fillet. Next, head to the Modify tab. In the Draw panel, click Fillet Arc. Your cursor changes for selection and you'll see Revit is waiting for two elements that meet at a corner. Take a moment to zoom in so you can confidently select the correct pieces. As you hover, Revit highlights possible selections. If multiple elements are stacked, pause and make sure you're clicking the one you intend. Click the first line or edge you want to fillet. This sets one side of the corner. Now click the second line that intersects it. These can be straight segments, forming a corner in your detail, or edges of a sketch boundary. Revit recognizes the intersection and prepares the fillet solution. With both lines selected, move your cursor to define the arc. You'll see a live preview of the fillet arc and the trimmed portions of the original lines. As you move farther from the corner, the radius increases. Closer to the corner, the radius tightens. When the preview looks right, click to place the fillet. If the arc appears on the opposite side of the corner from what you want, simply move your cursor across the corner before clicking to flip the solution. Revit automatically trims the original lines and inserts the arc so that it's tangent to both, giving you a smooth, continuous transition. There's no need to manually cut or clean up the geometry. The tool handles that for you. If the result isn't what you expected, press undo and try again, adjusting your cursor position to refine the radius. That's all it takes. Start a sketch, choose Fillet Arc, select the first line, select the second, then move and click to set the radius. Use this approach whenever you want clean, rounded corners in